Rising interest rates over the past 18 months have made it harder for the average American to borrow money. Since July, the government's benchmark rate has hovered just over 5%, the highest in decades. That means we will continue to see high borrowing costs for home loans, credit cards, and small business loans. CBS News senior business and tech correspondent Ling is with us in the house. Ling, good morning.
Good morning, Nate. Great to see you. Now, the Federal Reserve announcing yesterday it's going to leave interest rates unchanged for the second month in a row. Now, this means there's just still no relief for small businesses who are among the hardest hit as they try to stay afloat and keep their workers employed.
We're totally stuck.
Denise Duncan owns AT Industrial Products in Pomona, California, a company that makes metal dust collectors. She says high interest rates mean she can't afford to take out a loan to expand and meet demand for her products.
I can't grow my business and I can't hire people or relocate to a bigger facility. Here, as a small business owner, I think gas, trash, my utilities have all gone up. My insurances have gone up by 22%.
And Wednesday, the Federal Reserve announced it would keep interest rates unchanged despite persistent inflation, leaving them at the highest level in 22 years.
And the full effects of our tightening have yet to be felt. Given how far we have come, along with the uncertainties and risks we face, the committee is proceeding carefully.
Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell said there's still a long way to go to push inflation down to its goal of 2%. Meantime, the economy is still running hot with a blockbuster September jobs report, strong economic growth last quarter, and healthy spending nationwide.
It's fair to say that's the question we're asking is, should we hike more? The committee is not thinking about rate cuts right now.
But it's that rate cut that Denise Duncan says she so badly needs to keep her doors open and her 4 employees paid.
It sounds to me that you're kind of living on a prayer sometimes.
Yeah, there's a lot of mornings that I don't want to get up. We have everything on the line every day.
According to Goldman Sachs, interest payments for small businesses will rise on average to about 7% of their revenue next year. That's up from nearly 6% in 2021.
We're just white-knuckling it.
What's going to give?
Well, you got to raise prices, which makes me even less competitive. The other thing I think that most people don't understand is if I can't pay the rent or the utility or make payroll, I will do without. I will do without the paycheck.
While borrowers looking for a mortgage or car loan and business owners alike were hoping that interest rates would go back down next year, the Federal Reserve has signaled that it will likely keep them higher for longer than expected. And look, this ride is not over, y'all. Chair Powell warned another rate increase could still be on the table for December. So we're watching for all the clues.
Right now, they're keeping them the same. Do you see any silver linings here?
The silver lining here is that it isn't getting more expensive to borrow money, but it's still so expensive.
Yeah.
Plus, inflation still hasn't totally abated here, right? Our groceries, our gas.
Yeah, our groceries. Consumers are still spending money, though, so businesses are benefiting if, they're getting some sales at least.
It's true.
Yeah. Ling, it's good to have you in studio.
Great to be with
great to
y'all.
see
Yeah, glad to see you in
good to see
person.
you.
And may I say, I want that pantsuit, and I don't even wear pants, but I like that.
I have never seen you.
I am here to help you.
I'm thinking, I'm trying to step out of my box. You look
Gayle, you
great.
already checked the tag.
Yes,
All
I
right,
did.
good to see you.